way Frank Bullett's swinging, you know he's heading for a crash with that wall of official disapproval.
Streets in the city of Pomona. A few minutes later, the victim directed the officer to the location of the suspect.
The street reservoir is right at the corner.
He's at Reservoir and what?
It's down at the corner. He's almost making the turn to the right.
Oh, there he goes. Okay, I got him. Stay here. Okay, be right back. Stay here. Looks like he's going to be running southbound Reservoir for a second.
As the officer arrived, the suspect fled and attempted to conceal himself behind bushes. Here's the body-worn camera footage of the encounter.
Stop, motherfucker! Stop now! Stop now! Let me see your fucking hands! Stop! 998, Pomona, 998. Second and Reservoir, 998. Give me medical aid over here now.
Note the officer told him to stop and to show his hands. That's when the non-compliant suspect pulled the sword from his waistband and advanced toward the officer, taking steps forward, while the officer took several steps back. Here is a photo of the sword. Here are photos of the victim's injuries. Officers on scene made contact with him to ensure he was treated. He was taken to the hospital and is expected to make a full recovery. After the shooting, officers immediately called the Los Angeles County Fire Department to render medical aid. Unfortunately, the suspect succumbed to his injuries at the scene. The suspect was identified as 37-year-old Anthony Pacheco. It is currently unknown to what extent drugs or alcohol may have played in the suspect's behavior, as the toxicology results from the coroner's office are not yet available. The information in this briefing is based on a preliminary and ongoing investigation. Our understanding of the facts and circumstances may change as additional evidence is collected and...
A woman with a sword was shot and killed by Pomona police. Air 7 HD capturing the scene a short time after the wild encounter near South Reservoir and East 3rd Streets. Police were responding to the call of a stabbing, and when they got there, the suspect took off on foot, and soon after, police shot the man to death. The stabbing victim was rushed to the hospital. We're working to get an update.